Hey everybody, Northwest Cavalryman here. This is video 2 in my series of why gun bans in Canada are unconstitutional. So many people feel that the Second Amendment only applies to the United States of America and that the Second Amendment gives the citizens of the United States the right to keep and bear arms. This is in fact not the case. The Second Amendment of the United States does not give U.S. citizens the right to keep and bear arms. It only recognizes the right to keep and bear arms as an inalienable right, meaning that it can't be taken away and it can't be given away by the possessor. It also means that it pre-existed the U.S. Bill of Rights and was endowed to all people by virtue of their existence. The underlying meaning of the Second Amendment is that people have the right to defend themselves and others and use force if necessary, and to be able to use arms for that purpose. In a constitutional democracy, we recognize that rights can only be limited or taken away by due process of law. They can't be arbitrarily taken away from us. So do Canadians have the right to keep and bear arms? Well, yes, we do. To get to the heart of the matter, let's look at another country where the right to keep arms for their defense was established in a Bill of Rights. The English Bill of Rights of 1689, which, by the way, is still law today, established a set of rights for the citizens of England, which include that the subjects which are Protestants may have arms for their defense. As a Catholic, I feel slighted by this. However, when taken in the context of the times, one must know that today all citizens have this right. In fact, the English Bill of Rights was used as the template for the U.S. Bill of Rights. Subsequent Bills of Rights and Charter of Rights do not limit these rights, as Bills of Rights and Charter of Rights do not grant rights. They simply acknowledge rights. When we accept this principle, we come to the realization that we all have these rights because they are natural rights. Do we need a Bill of Rights or a Charter of Rights to tell us that genocide is wrong? No, we know it's wrong. Just as we know that depriving people of their ability to defend themselves is a violation of their human rights, and by extension, is unconstitutional. A person of good character, i.e. not a criminal, and being of sound mind, i.e. not having a major mental illness that could affect their sound judgment, should be trusted with their own defense, and to have the tools necessary for that defense. Otherwise, we live in a society where it's just survival of the fittest. The right to bear arms is to have the right and the ability to defend yourself. It's not for hunting, it's not for recreation. It's to have the ability to defend yourself and your rights. So the question is really, do we have the right to defend ourselves? The answer is yes. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos in this series.